Hey there! One of my favorite ways to work with my herbal infused oils is with my Gua Sha. This is such a good nourishing way to use the oils. Do I mind traffic? No, I don't, because I keep one of these in my car. On our road, there's road work. It seems like forever. So there's always 10-minute delays. Like, do I mind? No, I don't, because I go in there and I drain my lymph. Do you know about your temporomandibular joint? I like work this. There's so much tension that you can release just like in 30 seconds working this joint. You can drain everything into your subclavian vein, just really work your lymph, right? My thyroid was damaged in an accident many, many years ago, so I'm always working my thyroid. There's so many things you can really work with a headache. Like depending on where the headache is, you work that area. You can work a stiff neck. The thing is when you do all that, but with your hands get tired. But with the Gua Sha, they don't. And if you have like any kind of sinus stuff or allergies, you know, your sinuses are here and here. You can go like this and drain your, you know, really work, drain the congestion. You can go like this. You can work on your worry lines. I can just really feel the increase in, you know, it just feels so good for your lymph, your sinuses, headache, neck tension. This is such an incredible tool. I use this almost every day.